Hi friends, welcome to CinemaSpace 4K. Today I will show you how to turn a smartphone into a smartphone projector. For this, you need a cardboard box, a marker, a convex lens, your smartphone, a pair of scissors and some glue. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Take the cardboard box and flip it over. Now place the convex lens in the middle of the box. You can use a ruler to find the exact center of the box. Take the marker and outline the lens. To fix the lens perfectly, you can use some glue and also some tape. After that, open the box and take your smartphone. Now load your favorite video. Here I am selecting a YouTube video, but you can choose movies. Now switch the video to full screen and place it in the box. The phone should be placed horizontally to the box. After that, turn off all the lights and close the box. That's it, we have made our smartphone projector. To adjust the focus, I have used a pair of sunglasses. I have used a smartphone to shoot this video, so the picture appears grainy. But in real life, it's amazing. If you like my video, please subscribe, it's greatly appreciated.